SBIHM Hotel. Myself, Shalina Chakraborty. I am working as a faculty of accommodation operations in SBIHM. After completing my studies, I have worked in several five-star hotels from where I have gained a vast knowledge. Now coming to academics in SBIHM, I am spreading my knowledge to my students who are a budding hoteliers. In SBIHM, we don't only focus on our theory sessions, but we also focus on our practical sessions in accommodation operations. As you can see, this is our demo hotel classroom. This is the bedroom. Now let me introduce you to our bedroom. This room is designed as a proper hotel bedroom where our students can experience the real world teachings. This is the most important section of the bedroom, that is the bed. We prepared the bed in many ways to let the guest have a proper experience which retain the guest in the hotel. You can see this is a towel art prepared by our students, taught by me. This towel art is like a cake for the guests who are having their birthdays, anniversaries. This not only makes the guest happy but also retain the guest to the same hotel. These are the towels. There are various kinds of towels or the linens we use in the industry. This is how we make the towel arts. I have made a heart with a towel to win the hearts of the guests. We provide students with learnings of various amenities which give them a real world experience when they started to working in hotels. This is the chambermaid trolley we use in our accommodation operations in the hotel. In SBIHM, we foster the students to have a dynamic and excellent career. We provide them with hand-to-hand trainings, practical sessions in their class so that they can have an excellent career not only in India but also in abroad. In fact, many of our students are working in abroad and having a successful career. Thank you.